New Orleans police investigate the murder of a mother and her son in the 7th Ward this morning. Police are also looking for suspects in a double shooting in Holly Grove.
It was the right call at the right time.
The Saints pull out a come-from-behind victory in Carolina on Sunday.
It was an important win for us, and obviously an exciting one.
And the benefits of yoga for cancer patients, Touro is in to explain. It's Monday, October 10th. Fox 8 News at 6 a.m. starts right now.
From Louisiana's home team, this is Fox 8 News at 6 a.m. From Louisiana's home team, this is Fox 8 News at 6 a.m.
6:39, welcome back. This is pretty neat. Cancer treatments can be physically demanding with difficult side effects. And this morning we're taking a look at therapeutic wellness for breast cancer and other cancer patients. And Tamarin Hennebury, an occupational therapist with Touro, is here to explain. Tamara, thanks for being in this morning. You were telling me that you all have been doing this program at Touro for about a year now. And
about a year and a half, yeah.
What's the experience been?
It's been great. We've had a wonderful reception. You know, the Therapeutic Wellness Program at Touro is it's a program for people who have cancer, which helps to lessen some of the effects of living with cancer, some of the treatments, the side effects of radiation, chemotherapy, and it just helps with coping with stress.
And you're telling me that it involves breathing exercises. What are some of the other techniques?
We use some breathing techniques. We use gentle, very gentle yoga, meditation, and some what we call restorative yoga techniques, which is one of our primary therapies.
I know a lot of people do yoga. You say that it's voluntary for people to participate in this. I'm curious about it. I've never really done it before, just minimally. But what sort of response have you been getting to this program?
We've been getting a great response. We actually just hired a second OT, so you know, we're getting a good response. It is it's something we work with your doctor with, and so we do require a physician referral, and we do communicate with your doctor. So, you know, the docs like it. They like the way that we can work together.
Are there any cancer treatments that this can't be used for?
No, not really.
It's universal?
Really. It's universal, yeah. We can work with you whether you're, you know, really not really able to get out of bed if you're in some phase of your cancer treatment, or if, you know, you're in remission and you're wanting to really keep your immune system healthy and just cope with the stress.
And Tamarin, you were saying that some of these techniques are good for everybody, not just for cancer patients.
Yeah,
Tell me
we could
about
all
those.
use it. We could all use it. Well, what happens with these therapies is that they, when we find that quietness, when we're able to use the therapies, it elicits something called the relaxation response. And that's a physiological response that lowers the blood pressure, slows down the heart rate, and it really helps with the immune system. So when the body is at rest, the immune system is able to boost itself. And that's something that's really important in the treatment of cancer.
It sounds fantastic. Give me a quick primer on it. What are some of the breathing techniques?
Well, would you like to learn one?
Sure.
We'll do that in a few seconds. And actually, I'd like to invite the audience as well to participate and put down your remote control, set your coffee aside, uncross your legs, let your feet rest on the floor, and go ahead and place one hand on your belly so that you can feel where your breath is in the bottoms of your lungs. And begin to take a deep breath so that you feel that breath way down there. Yeah, see what that feels like. And maybe you'll notice that your eyes want to just close or just kind of slow down a little bit. And notice that when you exhale, all the breath goes out so that you really feel your belly sinking back towards your spine. And go ahead and take a nice deep inhale, really fill the belly with air. And then wherever you feel yourself sitting in that chair, just let yourself sink down a little bit. And notice that your face,
go right to sleep
your
here.
face is softening. Yeah. Your eyes soften. And your breath just slows itself down. And you begin to notice, perhaps, when you slow down, you begin to increase your awareness of your breath. And that increases a little quieting inside.
I feel it, and it's very relaxing. And I want to do. How long would you continue that for maximum?
Well, that's a primer. We use breath work in all the relaxation techniques. All the yoga types of yoga use breathing. So we would start with that, but then we would go into some other techniques. Restorative yoga is really wonderful. It's, you know, you get into a yoga asana position, and then you're completely supported with bolsters and blankets and underneath you. So it's not about stretching, strengthening. It's about relaxing.
Tamarin Hennebury with Touro, thanks so much for telling us about it. Sounds like a great program.
Okay,
Appreciate
great.
you being here
Thanks,
this morning.
Rob.